This is a VPNUK setup tutorial for our Windows-based connection software. I will now guide you through the entire setup procedure using an OpenVPN connection, and also explain some of the optional settings. Go to the VPNUK website at vpnuk.net, and then navigate to Setup Guides, Windows. At the top of the page, you will be presented with the Windows connection software information, with a download link to the software, and also a link to the setup guide. Click onto the download link. This will download the VPNUK connection software to your Windows computer. Please remember to make a note of the download location. You will need to open the software installer in the next step. Once the VPNUK connection software has finished downloading, you can open it. You will now be presented with the Smart Screen Permission window, which will ask for your permission to run. Click Yes. The VPNUK connection software installation wizard will now open. Click Next. Now confirm the installation destination and click Next again. You will now be asked to confirm the installation of OpenVPN. If this differs from an existing version, you will be asked to update. You can now click onto the Install button. The VPNUK connection software will now install. We always ensure you're installing the most up-to-date version of our connection software. In order to do this, some of the files are fetched on the fly, from our web server or from our GitHub download repository. You will see the download status during the installation process. Once complete, please ensure there is a check in the Run VPNUK checkbox and then click onto the Finish button. You will now be presented with the Smart Screen Permission window, which will ask for your permission to run. Click Yes. The VPNUK connection software will now run. You will be presented with the Quick Connect screen. Before you can connect to your VPN, you will need to insert your connection settings. Click onto Settings on the top left. I will now run through a few of the settings at your disposal and how to create a connection profile. At the top of the settings screen, the first thing you will come across is the connection type. You currently have the option of an OpenVPN, PPTP, L2TP, and IKEv2 connection. In this tutorial, we will select OpenVPN. Let's create a connection profile. This is particularly useful if you have multiple accounts. You can assign a profile to each account. To add a profile, you just type the name of the profile you would like to add. This can be any name you choose. Once you have added the profile name, click on to Create. You can now scroll down to the Credentials section and enter your VPN login username and password. You then choose the VPN server. The server should correspond with the type of account you have with us. If you have a dedicated IP account, please ensure you select the server which your account is assigned to. You have the option of shared IP servers, dedicated IP servers, and R11 dedicated IP server. In this tutorial, I will choose a shared IP account and select one of our Swiss-based servers. These details will automatically save to your profile once you connect. Before connecting to the VPN, I will show you a few of the other settings you can use. Click on to Show More. The first thing you will see is Kill Switch. The kill switch is designed for anyone that would like to disable their internet connection should the VPN drop for any reason. You will then see the option for assigning a custom DNS server should you wish to use one of those instead of the default VPN server's own DNS. You will then see the option of altering the MTU setting of your VPN connection. This is particularly useful if your VPN connection has routing problems. You will then see the different types of protocol and port options open to you, as well as enabling an obfuscated connection. We will now connect the VPN. To connect to the VPN from the settings screen, you can click onto the Connect button. You can also connect from the initial quick launch screen by clicking onto the connection toggle. Once you have clicked onto Connect, you will notice a prompt appear in the system tray confirming your connection status. That's it. You have now installed and connected to your VPNUK account using the Windows Connection software through an OpenVPN connection. If you have any questions or problems, please contact our live help team.